Welcome back to the second video in our series of how to lose weight and keep it off naturally. Exercise is crucial for weight loss, but it doesn't have to be intense. Here are some efficient exercises for everyone, regardless of physical abilities. Before you begin any exercise program, it's crucial to consult with your doctor or physician, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Here's why. Your doctor can help you understand what exercises are safe for you and identify any potential risks based on your medical history. A medical consultation can provide you with a personalized exercise plan that takes into account your unique health needs and fitness goals. Consulting with your doctor helps prevent injuries and complications, ensuring that your exercise routine is both safe and effective. Always prioritize your health and safety. Talk to your doctor before starting any new exercise program to ensure it's right for you. Part 5. Low-impact exercises. Walking is a low-impact exercise that helps burn calories, improve cardiovascular health, and strengthen muscles without straining the joints. For those with mobility impairments, using a treadmill with handrails or practicing seated marching can provide similar cardiovascular benefits. Swimming provides a full-body workout that is gentle on the joints, improves cardiovascular health, builds muscle strength, and aids in weight loss. Aquatherapy or water aerobics can be beneficial for individuals with joint pain or mobility issues, allowing for resistance-based exercise with minimal impact. Cycling is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that helps burn calories, tone leg muscles, and improve overall stamina with minimal impact on the joints. Stationary cycling, or using a hand cycle, for those with lower limb impairments, can provide similar cardiovascular benefits and muscle engagement. Chair exercises and resistance band workouts are effective options for those with physical impairments. Choose activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Part 6. Staying motivated and consistent. Set realistic and achievable goals to keep yourself motivated. Defining clear, attainable goals helps create a roadmap for progress, boosting motivation by providing tangible milestones to work towards. Regularly monitoring your progress through journaling, apps, or fitness trackers can reinforce positive behaviors and highlight improvements, keeping you motivated and consistent. Engaging with a support network of friends, family, or a fitness community can provide encouragement, accountability, and social support, making it easier to stay committed to your goals. Part 7. Regulated mealtimes. In our previous video, we focused on the importance of eating nutritional foods, herbs, and spices. Now let's talk about when to eat for maximum efficiency towards your weight loss goals. Eating at regular intervals can help regulate your appetite and prevent overeating. Eating at consistent times also helps regulate your body's hunger signals and metabolism. Eating a balanced breakfast within 1 hour of waking up can kickstart your metabolism and reduce hunger throughout the day, making it an essential meal for weight management. A small healthy snack mid-morning can help maintain energy levels and prevent overeating at lunch. Consuming dinner earlier in the evening, ideally before 7 p.m, allows more time for digestion and aligns better with the body's circadian rhythm, aiding in better sleep and weight management. Do your best to avoid consuming large meals late at night, especially right before bed. This can lead to poor digestion, disrupted sleep, and increased fat storage, hindering weight loss efforts. Skipping meals, particularly breakfast, can lead to overeating later in the day and disrupts metabolic balance, making weight management more challenging. Eating at irregular times can cause metabolic confusion and result in poor appetite regulation, leading to increased calorie intake and reduced effectiveness of weight loss strategies. Part 8. Intermittent fasting. Start with a simple fasting schedule, such as 16-8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. Intermittent fasting can help regulate insulin levels, improve metabolism, and reduce calorie intake. Try intermittent fasting and see how it works for you. Part 9. Proper sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger, leading to increased appetite and weight gain. For optimal weight loss and overall health, it is recommended to aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night, with the ideal sleep window being from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. This timing aligns with the body's natural circadian rhythms, which regulate metabolism, hormone levels, and appetite. And this concludes our series on how to lose weight and keep it off naturally. Remember, natural weight loss is about making sustainable lifestyle changes. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.